In China, the diversity of goat farming has opened up in many unexpected directions. From modern high-tech farms to natural grazing methods, each farming method has an interesting story, reflecting the innovation and perseverance of Chinese farmers. The goat milk production industry has increased rapidly in recent decades. More than half of the goat milk industry's products come from Asia, more specifically China. Goats are popular with Chinese farmers because they require fewer inputs than cattle and buffalo. In this country, goats are often raised by farmers on small farms, characterized by limiting capital and land, reliance on family labor, and a mix of crops and small numbers of livestock. Small goat farmers usually own around 15 female goats. Currently, the government is encouraging dairy goat farms to expand their scale, based on a number of available models. Large farms often own about 600 female goats or more. Most of them reproduce through artificial insemination. Care steps are similar to other livestock species, and they are even easier to raise. On dairy goat farms in China, seinen goats are quite popular amongst farmers. As well as this, there are a few goat species that are hybrids between local goat breeds and seinen goats. Fuping County in China is an area with many dairy goats and more than 320,000 animals. This is a crop production area, so dairy goats are kept in captivity and fed food harvested from crops. The corn kernels were harvested by hand and dried before being added to the goat's menu. In addition, goats can eat leftovers from other livestock or graze in fields. If farming is large scale, goats are kept in more permanent buildings. They are fed in fenced feeders, and there is an outside resting area. Farmers usually do not use litter. On large farms, people feed their goats chopped green grass, along with a little hay and grain. Modern technology will increase working efficiency and improve the quality of husbandry as well as the health status of goats. Workers do not need to go to the barn to monitor the goat's condition. The system can display each goat's information on a computer screen, including gender, age, weight, as well as health status, vaccinations, and pregnancy. Currently, this farm only needs to employ 11 people to manage 3,000 goats. The management program includes healthcare, age determination, hoof care, and animal welfare measures. In addition, farmers learn how to recognize diseases, parasites, and other vaccination procedures. Baby goats are usually born between December and March. On most dairy goat farms, baby goats stay with their mother and are cared for in the first month or so to reduce mortality rates. When goats are 1 month old, they will weigh around 22 pounds, and goats that are not bred for breeding will be sold. Farmers provide hay at least twice a day, while nutritious cereals are included in the diet once a day in the morning. The average adult goat consumes about 2 to 3 pounds of feed per day. However, this amount of food can fluctuate depending on the goat breed and growth stage. Goats usually mature after about 18 months, and this is to ensure the best health and development for the goats. For most goat breeds, regardless of farm or herd size, farmers invest in milking machines. The milk is collected and filtered into a container, then cooled with cold water. Milk is transported to the processing plant in containers. Most of the milk is processed into cheese and exported to other Asian countries. The government also provides financial support to goat farmers. A farmer will be able to take his goats to a milking station at the local village. Here the goats will be milked by a trained milker. If a female goat is treated with medication, her milk is separated. Authorities believe that milking using centralized machines will improve the quality and safety of the milk. A modern milking station can milk 500 to 600 goats a day. Cheese does not appear as a common food ingredient in China. As in the US, goat products are not as popular as cattle products. However, some goat milk companies are experimenting with cheese production for economic development. In China, dairy goats are transitioning from small-scale household farming to a big industrial scale. The farm is built according to standards. The goat farming industry is growing rapidly, with more and more farms having a scale of 1,000 to 10,000 goats. Shaanxi Province is the largest dairy goat breeder and the largest producer of goat milk products. It has the largest market share in China. With the rapid growth of the market, the government encourages Shaanxi farmers to develop the goat milk industry by raising 5 million milk goats and producing 1.2 million litres of goat milk by 2025. There are about 1 billion goats in the world. The countries with the largest populations are China, India, and Pakistan. Amongst them, the goat population in China has more than 127 million. Goat farms located in a mountainous area can graze freely. Goats are skilled at grazing using their flexible upper lips, prehensile tongues, and nimble front legs to get to the most nutritious part of plants. Farmers take advantage of goats' unique herbivorous ability for grazing. From there, the farm can achieve excellent production performance without adding grain. Goats are an important livestock species in Guizhou Province. This area has vast mountainous terrain and many natural plant species, creating very good conditions for livestock farmers. Therefore, meat goat production plays an important economic role in rural development. According to goat experts, Boer goats are crossed with local breeds to produce meat, and the hybrids are superior to any of the parent breeds. These advantages make them easy to raise and affirm their commercial position. Female goats give birth to 1 or 2 babies every 4 to 5 months. Meat goats are slaughtered when they are around 10 to 12 months old and weigh more than 77 pounds. Every 4 months, meat farmers slaughter animals and sell the meat and organs to dealers. Haimen Province in Nantong, Jiangsu Province raises 800,000 goats every year. This number contributes to making the goat farming industry the mainstay economic sector of the district. The journey to discover goat farming methods in China is like an adventure through diverse and rich lands. From modern farms to small barns to fields where goats graze, all show the creativity and persistent working spirit of farmers. Goats are not the species with the highest economic output, nor are goat products popular, but farmers persist in livestock farming and the constant innovation of Chinese agriculture.